Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Kevin Baylor with Alliance IT. Thought I'd throw a couple tips and tricks out there. This one's going to be on some things that you can do in Outlook. Maybe you know them all, maybe you don't. If you do, feel free to pass this on to somebody that doesn't, or just use it to your benefit and look like the hero and the expert in their eyes. So here we go. If you don't know, of course, in Outlook, you've got your favorites up here. This is a great place to put all of your folders that you use a lot, that you want to reference. You want to get a quick snapshot of what's going on. This favorite, by default, you've got your inbox, sent items, and deleted items. But if you're categorizing something quite frequently, great place to put that up there is using this favorite section. Also, you've got rules, and it's a great way to kind of automatically filter and read your email. If you get emails frequently from a division manager or the CEO, create a rule that is going to allow you to go ahead and file those in a specific folder. That way you can go back and read them all later. Again, it's about ways, little ways even, to make us a little more efficient and productive throughout our day. Shortcuts. This is one of my favorites. I know it's one of our guys' favorites. Everyone has their personal preferences of which ones they use a lot. But if you're switching between email, contacts, and the calendar quite a bit, you can follow down here at the bottom where you've got your quick shortcut icons to get to the calendar and the contacts. Or if you're wanting to get back to your email, Control 1 is going to flip you back to your email. Control 2 going to flip you to your calendar. Control 3 would go to contacts. Control 4 would go to tasks. So quick little ways you can get around without having to lift up your hand off the keyboard, go back to the mouse, and move back and forth. So speaking of emails, let's go back to that real quick. You want to create a new email. Control Shift M will get you a new email brought up. If you have an email open and you want to reply to it, let's do a Control R and we're going to automatically reply to the email. Again, little ways to make yourself a little more efficient without having to potentially move over to that mouse, find the mouse, get the cursor, move it over. If we can get around a little bit quicker, then we're less stressed because we're being more efficient. And everyone's more happy when we're less stressed. You've got flags and categories. So you've got an email that you need to flag for some reason, follow up on it. Maybe it's spam or junk mail. You can flag it or you can categorize it. We know a lot of departments use different categories. You can go in and change the colors of the categories as well. So this will allow you to go through and find emails a lot quicker, and also determine maybe the priority that you're responding to these emails or addressing those emails. And last but not least, a quick little drag and drop. You want to create a new contact from an email, take that email, drag it down to the contact icon, boom, it's going to create a contact. You've got contacts out here that you want to set an appointment, and we don't have any contacts here, unfortunately. Let's go over here. We can take an email, we can drag it to a calendar, and that's going to give us the ability to go out and create a meeting request or a calendar activity. Again, just quick little ways to get around Outlook on a daily basis with the things that we use a lot, making your life much better. Have a great day.